Good morning. Welcome to week 2 of distance learning with Mrs. Krukas. I hope everybody had a good weekend and I hope everyone was able to get their human body projects turned in. If you have any questions about those, please email me. Please get in touch. We can talk about project extensions or anything that you need to support you in getting that project completed. This week, we are diving into a new unit, our genetics unit, which is all about heredity, which is essentially the study of how you inherit traits from your parents through something called genes in your DNA. And we're not talking about blue genes, we're talking about a code in all of your cells that code for different proteins in your bodies. And these are expressed as different traits, things like your eye color, or if you can roll your tongue into a tube, or what your earlobes look like. So those are some examples of traits that we're going to learn about in our new unit. So to get us started with our new unit, there is a Google Slides presentation on Google Classroom, and it looks like this. So this is all about human chromosomes, which is another vocabulary word that we'll be learning. And what I'd like you to do is go through this presentation, read it, and watch the video links that are embedded. And then at the very end, there's what I call a quick quiz, which is a Google form where you just answer the questions in the form. It just helps check your understanding of what we've just learned. So that's today, is just going through this presentation. So if we click through together, we can see we've got what traits run in your family. And so this tells us that traits are a unique set of characteristics. They're inherited from an organism's parents. And this delivery of traits from parents to offspring, which is another word for children, is called heredity. So that study of heredity is known as genetics. And then as we continue, we can see that our learning targets for this presentation and today are that we can identify chromosomes, DNA, and genes, and understand that genes code for traits that we inherit from our parents. So that's our goal today, and this presentation will help us reach that goal. So we can see these are some examples of genetic traits that are passed on from parents to their children through their DNA. And then we have these slides that have these videos embedded. So if you click on the link, it takes us to a website, learn.genetics, and it gives you a video to watch. And this is all about that idea of traits. So this should really clarify for us what we're looking for. We also see a key point summary here in our slide. So we get, if you watch the video and you're unclear of like what you were supposed to get from it, you can go back and read this key points summary. And so that's it. You're just looking through this presentation this morning. And when you get to the end, you see we've got a review of our learning targets, some comprehension check questions for you to check your understanding before you take the quick quiz. So understanding what is a trait, being able to put these in order from largest to smallest, chromosomes, DNA, cell, and nucleus. All of this information is in this presentation. And then you'll click on this link here. It'll take you to a Google form. And once you've taken the form, it will tell you your score. It's a really quick quiz. So that's what I'd like you to do today. Remember to check Google Classroom for our Monday check-in question so that I can see that you're visiting our page. And I'll have another video for you guys tomorrow. So take care.